Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2013 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Classic, and this one's in vivid black. This really nice tall windshield. We've got the dual disc brakes up in the front. Engine and just overall vehicle protection, front and rear. Screamin' Eagle intake. I love that the saddlebags have the protection around them as well. And we do have the Vance and Hines. Nice big tour pack. And this is all on the 103 cubic inch engine. We also have that heel toe shifter. And right up here, we've got a Bluetooth dash. So you can sync your phone to it. It gets all of the radio stations a lot more clear than the older technology. And 2013 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Classic. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.